Baking soda isn't used just for making and baking delicious pies, pastries, cakes, biscuits, and for cleaning your kitchen and kitchen cabinets. You can also use this amazing ingredient for beauty purposes as well. Women around the world are using baking soda for improving the health of their skin every day. Can you do me a small favour? Just take a look at the labelling on cosmetic products that you use, and you will notice that even some of the best facial creams contain baking soda. But unfortunately, these beauty products can cost a lot of money, so why spending so much money when you can get the same effect much cheaper and using all natural ingredients? We are going to show you how to use baking soda and get rid of acne and dark circles under your eyes. It's very simple, you just have to follow the simple instructions. Here's what you need to do. 1. Baking soda versus acne. Baking soda is extremely effective for eliminating acne and removing scars because it regenerates the skin. This method will help you eliminate the stubborn acne and you will feel amazing. Here's what you need to do. Just take a bowl and put some baking soda in it, add several drops of water and mix well until you get a paste mixture. Note, you should be careful and don't add too much water because the mixture won't be effective. How to use it. You need to apply this mixture on the affected area with a gentle massage. Keep the paste on the area for a few minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes the paste will become hard. Then rinse the skin area well with lukewarm water. Make sure you use this treatment every night before going to bed. And trust me, you'll be amazed by the results. 2. Baking soda versus under eye bags. And now we're going to show you how to use baking soda to remove the dark circles under your eyes. Here's what you need to do. First you need to add a little water in a glass and some chamomile tea. Then you should add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and mix it all well. When you notice that the baking soda is dissolved in the mixture, you should grab a cotton swab and dip it in this mixture. Place the cotton swab underneath your eyes, right under the eye bags. Make sure you leave it on for 15 minutes. After that, you should wash your face with warm water and apply some nourishing cream and you are good to go. You will be amazed by the results. Just after 1 week, your dark circles under your eyes will be gone.